Hi everyone, it's Emily from the Suburban Home. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that this past year we've tackled many projects. There may be 3 feet of snow outside in early March in Ottawa, Ontario, but spring is in the air in our home. Come along as I transition our home for spring, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe. In 2020, our master bedroom got a fresh coat of paint, a wallpaper accent wall, and a new ceiling chandelier. I'm always decorating on a budget, and I really enjoy the thrill of treasure hunting. Some of my recent finds include this beautiful solid wood dresser that I found on Facebook Marketplace. This little wooden doll high chair I found on Facebook Marketplace as well, and I'm using it as a plant stand. I think it turned out really cute. These night tables are another thrift find. I paid $5 each for them. They were a cherry wood. I refinished them with paint, and they are the perfect size and perfect scale for our king size bed. Adding touches of spring to our master bedroom is as simple as bringing in a fresh bouquet of spring tulips, diffusing some lavender and lemon essential oils, and changing up our bed with our spring bedding. As we head into the main living area of our home, I use this shelving unit, also a thrift find, to display my spring teacup collection. This desk area is a collection of found furniture and objects. The desk is actually a folded Victorian style table that can sit 10 to 12 people. I found this gem on the side of the road. The chair and lamp are Facebook Marketplace purchases. The letterpress tray, flower frogs, and antique mirror were flea market finds. The plants add that much desired greenery at this time of year when we're all itching to get into the garden. In 2019, when we moved into our Victorian style farmhouse, the walls were covered in a buttercream yellow paint. We knew that eventually we wanted to freshen up the color, and last year we DIY'd the board and batten wall treatment and gave the living room and dining room a fresh coat of paint. I still have the kitchen to tackle, but I'd love to create a stone wall feature reminiscent of a French cottage. Normally, my collection of insulators are on that display shelf where the teacups are, but they look really nice in that basket under my coffee table. The sofa recently got a full-on transformation, and I have a video posted on my YouTube channel, I'll link it below, on how I painted this sofa and changed up the look completely. The sofa, coffee table, and end table, as well as the lamp, are all Facebook Marketplace finds or hand-me-downs. This beautiful antique armoire was given to me by my godmother. You've seen it in some previous videos. The fireplace mantle got a spring refresh. Brought out some of the cast iron bunnies. This little print I found at the thrift shop. This little girl feeding her little bunnies was really cute. I really enjoy setting up a beautiful table for entertaining guests and family and friends, but because of COVID, I haven't had the opportunity to do a beautiful table. I've gathered some of my favorite spring china and these eggs covered in fabric that I did last year to mimic transferware. And of course, every spring table needs some beautiful daffodils. I found this bunny at a antique flea market and he just had to come home with me. I added touches of spring in the kitchen by bringing in some spring bulbs, adding a little bunny here and there, and I took out all of my blue and white transferware collection. I like doing little different vignettes on my windowsill, and so for spring I brought my collection of blue and vintage mason jars. I've set up this temporary table in our laundry room so I could start my seed starting trays. And that concludes the tour because I actually have some laundry to do. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.